Okay, let's go.
I don't go outside, no, I've been laying low. I just missed the whole summer, now it's getting colder. People drive me up the wall and so I stay at home, but I'm still checking to see if they call like I was playing poker. Hey, 4 clubs, yeah, 4 clubs, I don't let them in, I put borders up like Americans when they voted Trump. Honestly, I like time alone. If you try to hit me up via phone, I'ma leave it ringing like a xylophone. You could leave a message at a dial tone.
Ano?
May race na siya sa baba.
Ano, grabe naman yan. Solid naman to. Grabe, sarap ah.
Sarap na itong nasa dagat.
Ito, Il Gatinuel. Ito parang walang masabi. Sarap. May kanin pa pala sa ilalim.
May kanin nga yan.
Ito. Ano po? Tignan mo to. Ewan ko kung ano yan. Ito pala masabi yung... Ang sarap yan. Ang bago na naman yung mukha mo. Ha?
Ito muna ito. Ang init.
Ito, Angus beef to, no? Ay, hindi. Wagyu. Sarap. Sarap naman yung wagyu na yan. Wagyu beef.
Lagyan natin na siya.